السلام عليكم الاخوان الكرام. روخا قاخدي جانغو وزاث ماني غاخ المشروع ني كاين خصي احمد زي الحسيمه هذا خيعاود شوي ما نمشيو في الجوذان على خيبون كاين ندير السياحه كاين خير عشات ربي روخا نسكت شوي السي احمد ما نمشيو في اخفين دكمشانه سي احمد سيورخ شويه
كان الطبيعه قد زاهد الطبيعه ديال الجبولات وخارب حيط وهذا بزاف ديال المكان الحقيقه تما قاعدين جلا ترونكيليتي جلا نهار بنادم جاليتين
نعم
روحاني درهم السواح اللي فواياجور خصها تتكد السيمانه على الاقل
نعم
لان زعما راح زعما راه بزاف تيمثال واخا زعما رقم دايرتي سواد داير
موجود
هذا دوك الناس تاعو ما قايدكيش انت دايرتي الكامبو تما سوشار سينا تما المليح تحاول خير التقاليد ما عارف اسمي يكمل ان شاء الله
ان شاء الله
حتى فنخدم انا ان شاء الله روحاش قلبه بالميرامات كنت كيف بزاف
نعم ان شاء الله بلا ما يخدم يويا
ناوي انا جاتي ونغني ونعاود عجب الحلقه الوقت نقدر نزيز
نعم
عجبات وكان عجبات
تقريبا نخيت سوانا ياك نعم
نازل مليح انا زارقه نسمع
نعم
المهم الجبولات وخا قناه ديال التيتي نعذر في المترو
لك تا ما سام شو 2000 وقيره يجوا مع دوزيام وسين دابا وجدين شو 1700 يمكن تيرجعوا 2000
ولكن راه مليح تفوت
الجو نعم لا يصبح الحال بزاف لي الصمد نعم
واخا فريطه
ودات نعم الله يا ودي شادي فرد
Hello once more. We are now on the top of a mountain in the village of Timsaman, and there is a house that a friend built for future tourism. It's a very simple house. It's with clay and with bricks, and one of these days it's going to receive a lot of visitors, we hope. Really, the air is very fresh. There are only some animals that you see in the forest above, and nobody else. It's unique in that place, and we hope it will be very famous one of these days in the future. Hello, now we are near the new house. It's new, even though you see only stones and clay, but it's new. This is the entrance. It's gonna be a sort of hotel for visitors who want peace, who want to see new things that they don't have in Europe, and people who want to breathe some fresh air, because here there is no pollution at all. You can see only green things. You can see one part of the Bay of Al Husayma, and if people come here, they are going to forget all about their problems if they have any. So welcome everybody one of these days here. It's going to open in the future. There is electricity, there is running water, and there is good food here in this place. It's special food for visitors. Thank you. This you can start.
Okay, so I'm on a big Christmas Day adventure here with a group of Moroccan people. I'm the only English person here, and actually the only woman here today. And we're exploring the Rif Mountains. I've been wanting to do this forever. But we're actually doing it today on Christmas Day, exploring the Rif Mountains with a view to rural tourism, which I think there's huge potential here for rural tourism, as I experienced in the Himalayas at the age of 18, more than 50 years ago. But it could happen here, and it's stunningly beautiful, and there's still water, and there's still good people, and there are still people that understand the agriculture of the area. So there's hope. There is hope for the Rif, and I hope to be part of that. Stop.
Pour moi, c'est l'auto qui monte. Si tu veux descendre à pied, avec moi.